Now we destroy them.
Ah!
Guy.
Oh gosh.
Here, dude.
Oh, the lag.
Them.
I almost got this guy. Oh, he's so screwed. This guy on our right. Oh, heal, 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 heal. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, we're so screwed. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Jolie, Jolie, Jolie. Oh, you dead. Going out fighting, boy. Woo! 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 Shoot the crap out of him. Reload. Oh god. Oh yes. Oh gosh, yes, yes. Oh yeah, get that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep going. Oh. Oh. Dude, you still there? Hello? 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 Anyone? Hello?
Yes.
Hello? And I'm alone. And I'm alone. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna end the episode here. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh god. Weapons. Ooh, can I get this? Ooh. Oh! Oh, that money drop. Oh god. Oh! What's happening? Alright guys. I'm gonna end the episode here. And goodbye.